Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Shawna here, and I am doing another Stitch Fix unboxing. It's a big box this time, so I'm really looking forward to seeing what I got. I didn't request anything, but before I dive in, I have a couple of favors to ask. I have 3 favors to ask this time. Okay, favor number 1 is, if you haven't already, could you please subscribe to my channel? I always say it at the end, but I just would love it if more people subscribed, and so then you could see when I get posted new videos, and it also helps me out. And so if you want to, that would be great. You just hit the subscribe button at the bottom. If you do want to be notified when I post, you hit the bell next to it and that'll notify you. Okay, number 2. Can you let me know in the comments if there is any other kind of content you would like me to put out? Do you want more unboxings, hauls, specific websites, specific services, maybe something totally different? I'm trying to figure out if there's more that I should do, could do, want to do with my channel, and I would love to hear what type of things you guys watch and what type of things you'd like to see. So that'd be really helpful. And the last thing is, let me know if there's anything you want to know about me. I don't talk about myself that much. I mean, I'm from Seattle, I have kids, you know, that kind of thing. But I don't really talk about myself that much. I figure, who would care? Who would want to know about me? But maybe you do. If you have any burning questions, I'll answer them in one of my next videos. All right? Okay, so those are the 3 things. Subscribe, any ideas about content, and if you have any questions about me personally, I'd be happy to answer them. All right, so let's get into this big box. Okay, the first thing I see is my style card, and it's been Sam recently. And somebody new, it's Sandy. We'll see how she did. And then here are my prices. We'll go over that at the end. And then it looks like I have 2 bundles. Okay, oh, looks like faux leather. Okay, faux leather, that's fun. We'll see what that is. And then the second bundle, oh my gosh, okay. Well, that looks fun. Some green, black, cream, and some denim. I like denim. All right, let's check it out. Okay, what is this? Okay, it's a moto jacket, which is really cute. It feels really good. It has a fun hoodie on it. That's really cute. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna try it on and I'll probably love it. Can I tell you about how many moto jackets I have that I don't wear? And here's why. It rains in Seattle, or it's cold. So moto jackets aren't great for rain. It does have a hood, so that's a plus, but you don't usually want to wear moto jackets when it's cold. They're not very warm, or when it's raining. And then if it's sunny, you're not wearing a jacket at all. So, but I love them and I buy them. So we're gonna try that on. Okay, the next bundle. All right, the first is, oh, it looks like just a crew neck, really neat, like dark teal green, crew neck, really stretchy knit shirt. It feels cotton. It's probably not, it's probably polyester, but it still feels really nice. So I look forward to trying that one. It's a really pretty color. Okay, what is this? Oh. It's a dress. Well, I'm not wearing dresses very many places recently, but it has like a scalloped neckline. It's real soft. I mean, I think of all dresses, it's a pretty casual, like t-shirt material dress. So if you're gonna get a dress for spring, it'd probably be something like this, I would think. So I'll try that on. It's black, so I bet it's flattering. All right. Okay, so this is a cream and white tie-dye sweater, and it's pretty thin, which is okay. I like, you know, thick sweaters and thin sweaters. And that's pretty nice. It's by Sanctuary, which I typically love Sanctuary stuff. I'm not totally into tie-dye, but this isn't too crazy. I I could do that. And the color's nice, it would go with everything. So, all right, we'll try that on. And then last but not least, these are some Mavi jeans, and they're a gray wash, and I am in the market for some new gray jeans. And let's be honest, I have old gray jeans, but they're a little tight right now, so we're not going to talk about that. We're just going to talk about new gray jeans. And these are Mavi Emmas, and these are boyfriend cut, which are really fun. I like a boyfriend cut jean. All right, I'll try the first outfit on. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the first outfit, and as expected, I do like the jacket. I love the hood. It has the inner zip part. It has like some fun elasticy bottom, and it feels really nice. It feels really nice. Totally cool jacket, my style. Do I need another moto jacket? No, I don't, but we don't talk about need here. We don't talk about need. It's a really cute jacket. Okay, so let's talk about the dress for a moment. Okay. So, this is not me. This seam right here that should be like on my waist, that is not. Yes, it looks like, I can't decide. Either I'm going to my piano recital or my 8th grade dance. What do you think? Yeah, I don't think it's for me. It's really soft. And maybe if you were smaller chested and the seam was right and you liked scalloped neckline, this one's perfect for you. It's not perfect for me. So, you tell me what you think. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the next outfit, and I am kind of digging on this sweater. The tie-dye is good. It's not too much. The colors are real mild. I said to my daughter, I was like, it's tie-dye, but it's good, right? It's not the dead. And she's like, the dead? I'm like, I failed as a parent. It's a nice tie-dye. And I like the neck is a little bit wider than like a tight crew neck, and so that gives it a little style. And so it's thin, it's soft. I like it. It's a winner. Okay, so the Mavi pants, I think they're really cute. They got, the booty's good, the fit is nice up here. I would call them a mid-rise, they're not a high-rise. They're not. There's a little muffin, but nothing crazy. The length is a little strange. They're a boyfriend, so it makes sense, but yeah, I had to roll them even one more time. But they just go with, I put moccasins on with them, you can put them with tennis shoes. The wash is really different. It is a really light washed gray, but I kind of like them. Tell me what you think. I'll do one more little pass. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, here's the last thing, and it's this really pretty green like sweatshirt. It's just a sweatshirt. I love that it has like the baseball cut seams here. It gives it a little style. And I tried it on for my daughter, and she's like, oh, what's it feel like? I'm like, it feels like heaven. There's nothing special about this except for how amazing it feels. It is so soft. And the color is really cool and different too, because it's like just a super dark teal or a dark green, but not olive. It's really kind of aqua. And I just put it on with my favorite Athleta jeans. Super cute. All right, I'm gonna have to make some tough choices. We'll look at prices next. I'll be right back. Okay, it's time to look at prices because as usual, it matters. Okay, is anybody's hair so staticky? I just keep doing this. Ugh, it's like sticking to my face. Anybody else's skin so mad at them? I'm like breaking out. I don't know, it's like, we're deep into winter. It isn't the change of seasons. I think it's probably stress. I don't know what's going on. I thought I was over bad skin in the teen years. Okay, let's talk about this. This is my 34th fix. It's a lot, jeez. Okay, so the first thing is the Mavi jeans, and the jeans at Stitch Fix are almost always the same. They're 88 bucks. And so I don't think that's a bad price, and I really, really like these. So tell me if you think they're worth 88 bucks or back to the drawing board. So I really like those, and it's a fun wash. Okay, the next is the faux leather jacket by Mocha. And it is 82. I mean, I really liked it, and I think 82 is a good price for this jacket, absolutely. But I just don't need one, and I would love to get it, but I don't need it at all. Okay, the next is the scalloped dress in black, and of course it's really good price. It's $54. And I think I'm already past my 8th grade dance and all my piano recitals, so I think I'm gonna pass on this one this time. Although I appreciate she sent something kind of different for me to see if it stuck, if it was something that I would like. The dark green pullover by Lou and Gray is $69.50. Now, I think it's really good quality. Do you think it's worth $69.50? I mean, it's a little bit high for just a plain one, but I do really, really feel like the quality's there. Signature soft plush. I don't know. More than the jeans? And the jeans? All right, that's gonna be a tough one. All right, last but not least, this is Sanctuary. Sanctuary is not cheap, but it's always high quality. I think I have a number of Sanctuary things, and it's 88 bucks. What do you think about this? Do you like this better than the sweater? I think if I was going into, like, going out and about more, this would be higher on my list. But because I'm mostly staying home, I think the green is higher on my list. And the jeans. Ugh, all right, tough choices. Going to have to do some Stitch Fix math. All right, let me tell you what the totals were, just so you know. The total was steep, $381.50 for the whole box, but if you buy everything, it took about 100 bucks off, and making it $286.12 minus your styling fee. So I clearly don't want everything, but I need your help on what I should keep. So if you like my channel, give it a thumbs up, or if you like my video, give it a thumbs up. If you wouldn't mind, again, please subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you know every time I post new videos. And please, as a reminder, I would love to hear what other kind of videos you'd like me to post, and if there's any fun facts or anything you want to know about me. All right, thanks so much for watching. See you next time.